Hey guys, I'll be showing how I prep my canvas here before painting. I'm using a double primed fine grained canvas by Gamblin, and although it's double primed, I would like to add a couple of layers to the canvas to make it more smooth for my preference. Here I have a can of oil ground by Gamblin, and if you have freshly opened it, you may have to give it a stir. Initially, I'm using a palette knife to apply the ground on the canvas, and later on I will use a squeegee or a scraper to even out the application. Make sure the layer is thin because we'll be applying a second layer as well for best results. The second layer can be applied once the first one is dry to touch, which usually takes a day or two. Here I'm back on the next day. The layer is touch dry and I will follow the same steps for the second layer. Once the second layer is applied, you have to wait at least for a week for the surface to completely dry. Only then you can start the painting. I want to quickly demonstrate the surface behavior of the oil ground. As you can see, you can manipulate the paint quite easily, wipe off the sections if required, or move the paint around for corrections. It is extremely helpful in the initial stages to modify or erase sections to get the accuracy of the painting. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please give it a like and subscribe for more such videos. I also have a video where I show how to stretch a canvas with just a tape and a drawing board, so do check it out. Thank you.